Once upon a time, in a magical forest, young Mike stumbled upon a wounded lion cub while exploring with his family. With compassion, they brought the cub home, nursing him back to health. Mike named him Leo, and over the years, they formed an inseparable bond, sharing countless adventures. As time passed, the day came for Leo to return to the wild. With a heavy heart, Mike set his friend free, understanding the call of the wilderness. Years later, now a young man, Mike found himself lost in the depths of the forest. Wolves closed in on him, ready to attack. Suddenly, a majestic lion emerged from the shadows, Leo, all grown up. Recognizing his old friend, Leo bravely confronted the wolves, protecting Mike from harm. The wolves retreated, defeated by Leo's strength and courage. In a heartfelt reunion, Mike and Leo embraced, their enduring friendship standing the test of time. Leo, once a tiny cub, had become Mike's hero. Together, they faced challenges and embarked on new adventures, their bond stronger than ever in the enchanting heart of the forest.